Yeah, hello. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is John Marijan and our channel is called John Marijan Online. So if you can be able to watch me and hear me, that means we are online right now. So in this channel I talk much about make money online. I'm in that niche, and also growing the YouTube channel, all stuff, affiliate marketing, how to start a business from scratch. So today I would love to talk about how you can start a YouTube channel, and grow from zero to 1,000 subscribers, or to a reasonable kind of subscribers, and actually be able to do a business. So I'll be sharing with you what I have learned. So also expecting also to learn from you also. So welcome. Let's dive into it. Yeah, so starting a YouTube channel, like creating a channel is not that hard. First thing, you will need to go to visit to youtube.com. Once you visit youtube.com, you will uh, need to have an email address, also a Google account. These two things are crucial. Then you will be able to create your channel. Yeah, it's not that much hard. So this is my YouTube channel. It's brand new. Yeah, I have created it. Here's some few videos that I posted. So I'm going to show you the basics, like how I get started. After you create a channel, and then you will, this is, when you click here, you will see a lot of icons to, maybe if you want to go to edit your video. This is my channel. If I click here, it goes to the channel. There is YouTube studio. If you have other accounts, but for somebody who gets started, you will need to change this profile. You can just edit it just like you edit maybe you have a social media account like Facebook or Instagram. So you will change this one. Yeah, this is a profile picture, and I've seen most of the big brands and YouTubers and some of my mentors, they use the same picture, that so that people recognize you with that picture. It's like an avatar. So everywhere like you go, this will be the picture. If they know this, they see this picture, they know that it is you. Also, you can be able to, you will need to change this channel art. You can go here and you can change this one. I'm going to put a link below if for the tools that you can use to edit this. I use a software called the Canva. It's free to use and it's online. You can use it to design something like this. Also here there is this links. You can add some links to your social media like Instagram, maybe Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn. You can link them also here so that people also can be able to visit and see what you have to offer. Yeah, so it is not hard. Then it comes to upload a video. Yeah, yes. Once you have changed your profile picture, you change your channel art, add links to your social media, you can upload the videos. Uh, you go here. There is this icon with a plus here, a camera with a plus here. Here is when you can be able to upload your video. Once you have reached to a certain experience, you have a lot of subscribers, you can go live and record your video from here. But for us, you can just click here and you can upload a video. Maybe you have a video in your computer you can be able to upload. Yeah, so that is it. It's not that hard, but there are some of the things that I believe are important also to learn. I'm also learning those things right now, like YouTube SEO. So just like we say when we start a video, YouTube channel, yeah, YouTube is a search engine. People came to YouTube to search for different kind of solutions. Maybe if somebody search for a certain kind of solution, you will need to appear at the top of the search engine. Like if maybe like how to start a YouTube channel, if somebody search it, you will be able to appear maybe in one of those three channels that come first. So these are the things that also after you create your YouTube channel, you have changed your profile picture, you have already put the channel art and your links there, your brand you have using, and also I recommend using your own name or something related to your name, because in the long run this is you, this is your brand. But it is not mandatory. If you have a certain brand that you will need to grow with it, it is also okay. But I've seen most of the big YouTubers and are moving to use their own name. I think it gives you a sense of responsibility, or a sense of why are you doing this, because it is you. When it is you, also you won't let it fail. But it's okay if you have your brand also, you can use it, it's not a problem. But for me, I use my own name, Joe Marijani, online. I'm sorry, the network is not much good. Yeah, yeah, so like for me, I've used the Joe Marijan online. You can see here, it's Joe Marijan online. But if any brand that you have that you want to use, you can use it, it's okay. Yeah, so these two things also you will need to learn after you have set your channel SEO. That's a search engine optimization. Yeah, so that people can view you the first time that they search for certain thing, you will be appearing there, so you can get the free traffic, and it's come to this also traffic. So you see, most of those people who are successful in YouTube, they all have these three things. They have a channel, they know this SEO, the search engine optimization. Also, they have traffic, the quality traffic. So also, I'm also learning these things right now. I hope to share with you also. So you can comment down below. You can share this video with somebody who you think may need to have this kind of knowledge. But that is how you can start a YouTube channel and grow from zero subscribe. Like for me, I also started with zero subscriber. I'm keep on getting more subscribers. So thank you very much for watching. You can also watch other videos from this channel. You can learn also about affiliate marketing, starting a business online, a little bit of mindset. Yeah, I hope you can learn something from this channel. So again, thank you very much for watching my video. Yeah, we will meet again next time. Bye bye for now.